Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use phaser in Audacity. So let's check the audio that we have recorded here. So I select this one audio and I click play button to check and listen it. It is simple testing recording 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I would like to edit this audio, I need to select it by clicking somewhere here, and then I need to go to Effect. Now I need to go to Distortion and Modulation, and I need to select here Phaser. So I click here, and then you can edit here stage, dry, LFO frequency, depth, feedback, and output gain. I recommend you to set these values how I have it here, and after that you need to click Apply button to make changes to your audio. And the track has been successfully changed now, so let's play it again and let's check how it sounds now. It is simple testing recording 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the effect is really visible now. It sounds really great. So if I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.